This song was made by my dad, written by me, and the song was made by me. Coronavirus, 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 coronavirus. You stay for long, and you need to stop. You messed our home, and we just can't do it today. If this is a dream, it's not okay if it's not. Kids want to play outside. Kids want to play outside. Kids want to play outside. I hope it's all gonna be okay. Coronavirus, coronavirus.